we had no access to any of these films. At the most, maybe you could go to a film festival in Delhi if you were really interested, and see some foreign films, right? But otherwise,
that's limited also.
That's totally limited, right? But now it's totally changed, and I think that's also a reason why more and more people are taking up filmmaking. One, the means of making films have become completely accessible. When I started
it's digital, right?
Equipment was heavy, cumbersome, expensive. You couldn't just pick up an iPhone and start shooting and making a video. You needed equipment, right? So, there were so many limitations to making films at the time. Now it's changed. It's become much more democratic in the sense that anyone can pretty much make a film. But as you're saying, filmmaking is like learning a language. And I always say that to younger, people. It's like, you're starting, you have to start from the ABC and the grammar of a new language. You can't just pick up a camera, start shooting, like editing it, and expect a film to come out of it, right? And part of that language is what you're saying. You have to go back and watch the classics. You have to watch, just steep yourself in cinema, right? And that's how you learn.
And one of the things that